I don't know how to do my brows with, you know, powder. Hey everybody, my name's Amanda. I kind of live here. So, I have an itchy nose. Sorry. So I never learned how to do my brows with powder. So I bought a thingy from Profusion called Define Brows. I bought it at Target like nearly a year ago. I don't know how to use it. So, but I never reached for it because, well, I'm scared. A little. So we're gonna do it. And there are instructions on the back. See? There are words and stuff. And I thought, hell, why not? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it up. Ooh, it's packaged quite nicely. Considering it's been here a year, I would hope so. And you have to peel off the thingy. It's, the plastic thingy is certainly attached. And let's see what's in here. Let me throw that away. All right. So, you got a pair of, you got tweezers. I think this is a wax pencil. You got regular brow pencil. You have a little spoolie and brow brush. And we have stencils. So, let's take out all the loose thingies. Let's take out all the loose things. The tools, the pencils, the whatevers. And, we'll try it out. Just so you know, if you get the tweezers out and it rolls underneath your computer, it will stick. So after you take out the extras, the accessories, it comes with powders. And apparently they are for, there's a highlight, a blonde, a medium brown, a chocolate, and an ash brown. So what I'm going to say is probably nice for that is it's a beginner's one. And, well, sorry, and you could try it. I mean, it's handy. So now what I'm going to do is read the directions on the back. Brush through brows with spoolie and use tweezers to remove any stray hairs. Then set brows in place with brow wax pencil. Spoolie, brow wax pencil, tweezers. All right, let's see what we can do. And I'm not wearing glasses or contacts because, you know, I'm just futzing around today. And let's see what we have. Wow. Okay, so they're brushed into place. This is the brow wax pencil. So the wax pencil's in. And I think the brows are firmly in place. Okay, so now it says apply brow powders with the angled brush. So on the other side of the spoolie to fill in desired areas. Use stencil to guide the shape if needed. It comes with stencils. You know, for those who don't really know what they're doing, they have a high, medium arch. They have high arch. They have the full arch. They have the slim arch and petite arch. I'm gonna try them on. I suppose that's what you're supposed to do. You know what? I'm not gonna use them. So I will, but they're there, you know, if you need them. I think I got this part down. I am not real sure what color I'll go with, what I'm supposed to go with. I'm gonna try the medium brown first because, well, it's in the middle. Okay, so there's a pencil. The spoolie is not so bad. Do I look all right? Okay, so for the other one, I think I'm going to go in with the ash brown and fill it in too and see how this looks. Well, I don't look like Groucho Marx yet. So I think I'm going to go in with more ash brown for this side and maybe mix in the medium brown. Because the chocolate brown that's in here, it seems a little too red. So we'll try this again. So I finished I got a phone call in the middle of that. So I'm going to say that I need to use the pencil in one area here. But okay, so then it has two pencils. But let's see, does it give me directions? Use an eyebrow pencil to intensify any area of the brow. Well, here it looks kind of thin. Let me try a little more powder first, and then, well, we'll go from there. That worked. I think I'm still going to go in with a little pencil though. This is in the soft brown. They had two colors. They had ash brown and soft brown. Here, I don't know, can you see those well? I can't see. I don't have glasses on. So, we'll go with that. Actually, I think I'll do the ash brown pencil first. And this I know how to do, because, you know, I've been using pencils for a few months now. I'm also gonna go and define the tail a little bit. I didn't use the tweezers because I don't think I need them for just messing around at home. But last thing I'll do is I will comb through. Practice, right? So anyway, guys, thanks for watching me futz through this and, you know, try and figure it out. Come to the dark side. We have cookies.